Your journey to online selling starts now. Have you ever dreamed of running your own online store without dealing with piles of inventory? Dropshipping might be the perfect solution for you. In simple terms, dropshipping is selling products online without actually keeping them in stock. Imagine this. A customer places an order on your website for a cool new gadget. Instead of shipping the product yourself, you forward the order details and payment to your supplier. The supplier then packages and ships the product directly to your customer. You don't have to handle any physical products, which means you can run your business from anywhere with an internet connection. Sounds exciting, right? Let's dive deeper into the world of dropshipping and explore how you can start your own successful online business. This comprehensive guide will equip you with the knowledge and tools to navigate the exciting world of dropshipping. We'll break down complex concepts into simple, actionable steps and provide valuable insights to help you succeed. So buckle up and let's embark on this exciting journey together. Dropshipping might seem complicated at first, but it's actually a straightforward process. Let's break it down into 3 simple steps. 1. A customer places an order. A customer browses your online store and finds a product they love. They place an order and make a payment through your website. 2. You forward the order. You receive the order details and payment from the customer. You then forward this information to your dropshipping supplier along with your profit margin. 3. The supplier ships the product. Your supplier receives the order details and ships the product directly to your customer. The customer receives the product without ever knowing it came from your supplier. That's it. You, as the dropshipper, act as the middleman between the customer and the supplier. You focus on marketing and customer service while your supplier handles inventory and shipping. Now that you understand the basics of dropshipping, are you ready to take the plunge and start your own business? Here's a step-by-step action plan to get you started. 1. Choose a niche. What are you passionate about? What products do you want to sell? Selecting a niche will help you target the right audience. 2. Find a supplier. Partner with a reliable dropshipping supplier who offers quality products and excellent customer service. 3. Create your online store. Build a professional-looking online store using platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce. 4. Add products and set prices. List your chosen products on your store and set competitive prices while ensuring profitability. 5. Market your store. Promote your store through social media, paid advertising, and other marketing channels to attract customers. 6. Provide excellent customer service. Respond promptly to customer inquiries and resolve any issues quickly and efficiently. Remember, starting a dropshipping business takes time and effort, but with dedication and persistence, you can build a thriving online business. Choosing the right niche is crucial for your dropshipping success. Your niche is your area of focus, the specific category of products you'll be selling. It's essential to choose a niche you're passionate about and one that has high demand and low competition. Start by brainstorming your interests, hobbies, and areas of expertise. What products are you knowledgeable about? What problems can you solve for potential customers? Next, research the market demand for your chosen niche. Are people actively searching for these products online? Are there established competitors in this space? Consider the profitability of your niche. Can you sell these products at a price that allows for a decent profit margin? After accounting for marketing and other expenses, finally, choose a niche that aligns with your long-term goals. Are you looking for a side hustle or a full-time income stream? Section 5. Finding a trustworthy supplier. The backbone of your business. Your dropshipping supplier is your most important business partner, so choosing wisely is crucial. A reliable supplier ensures timely order fulfillment, quality products, and excellent customer service, all of which directly impact your brand's reputation. Begin your search by researching reputable dropshipping supplier directories like Worldwide Brands, Salehoo, and Doba. These directories vet suppliers, providing an extra layer of security and reliability. Once you've identified potential suppliers, contact them directly and inquire about their product offerings, shipping times, and return policies. Request samples to assess the quality of their products firsthand. Pay close attention to supplier reviews and testimonials from other dropshippers. Look for feedback on their communication, order accuracy, and overall customer service. Remember, a trustworthy supplier is an investment in the long-term success of your dropshipping business. Don't hesitate to invest time and effort in finding the perfect partner. Section 6. Building your online store. Creating a welcoming space for customers. Your online store is your virtual storefront, the face of your brand in the digital world. It's essential to create a user-friendly, visually appealing, and trustworthy online store that showcases your products and entices customers to make a purchase. Consider using popular e-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or Wix, which offer user-friendly interfaces, customizable templates, and secure payment gateways. These platforms simplify the technical aspects of building and managing your online store. Choose a clean and professional theme that aligns with your brand identity and target audience. High-quality product images, detailed descriptions, and customer reviews are essential for building trust and encouraging sales. Make sure your store is mobile responsive, as a significant portion of online shopping happens on mobile devices. A smooth mobile experience is crucial for converting visitors into paying customers. Finally, prioritize website speed and security. A slow-loading website can frustrate customers and lead to lost sales. Ensure your store uses HTTPS encryption to protect customer data and build trust.
Section 7. Marketing your dropshipping store. Getting the word out. Building a fantastic online store is only half the battle. To succeed, you need to drive traffic and convert visitors into customers. That's where marketing comes in. Social media marketing is powerful for reaching your audience. Create engaging content on Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest. Run targeted ads to reach potential customers. Email marketing nurtures leads and builds relationships. Collect emails and send them newsletters and offers. Paid ads like Google ads drive targeted traffic. Track results to optimize for maximum ROI.
Section 8. Pros and cons of dropshipping. Weighing the benefits and challenges. Dropshipping has its own set of advantages and disadvantages. Understanding both sides is essential for informed decisions. It eliminates the need for inventory, reducing startup expenses. Run your business from anywhere with an internet connection. Offer a diverse range of products without holding inventory. Competition can lead to lower profit margins. Relying on suppliers can lead to stock challenges. Multiple suppliers complicate shipping logistics. Weigh the pros and cons to set realistic expectations. Section 9. Essential tips for success. Navigating the world of dropshipping. Navigating the competitive world of dropshipping requires a strategic approach and a willingness to adapt. Here are some essential tips to increase your chances of success. Provide exceptional customer service to build trust and encourage repeat business. Respond promptly to inquiries and resolve issues efficiently. Develop a unique brand identity that resonates with your target audience. Invest in high-quality product photography and compelling product descriptions. Ensure your online store is mobile-friendly, as a significant portion of online shopping happens on mobile devices. Display customer reviews and testimonials prominently on your website to build trust and encourage conversions. Monitor your website traffic, conversion rates, and other key metrics to identify areas for improvement and optimize your marketing efforts. Dropshipping success requires dedication, persistence, and a willingness to learn and adapt. By embracing these tips and continuously seeking improvement, you can increase your chances of building a thriving online business. Section 10. Ready to start dropshipping? Take the leap. Dropshipping offers an incredible opportunity to break free from the traditional 9-to-5 grind and become your own boss. It's a business model with low startup costs, location flexibility, and the potential for unlimited scalability. While challenges exist like any entrepreneurial endeavor, the rewards of building a successful dropshipping business can be life-changing. The key is to approach it with a strategic mindset, a willingness to learn, and an unwavering dedication to providing exceptional customer service. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will your dropshipping empire. Embrace the journey, celebrate small victories, and never stop learning and growing. The world of e-commerce is yours to conquer. Are you ready to take the leap and embark on your dropshipping adventure? The time is now. Start small, dream big, and never give up on your entrepreneurial dreams.